Hello, fam. I hope you're well. If you're not well, as I always say, take one day at a time. Welcome back, guys. This is James, the decomposer and the synthesizer of math and science tutor. Okay, Bafetsu. Today I would like us to focus on what we call what trigonometry. Trig. Or let me just say trigonometry. Tri means three sides. Gono means what? Sides. And then metry means what? Measurements. So it's basically trigonometry it's a branch of mathematics that deals with the relationship between the sides and the angles of a right angle, triangle, and any other triangle. But trigonometry is basically focused on a right angle triangle, and you know what I mean? Yeah, but if you want to know about the applications of trigonometry is used in medicine, you know, if motor is all guys, basically they make use of trigonometry busy by the X-ray, guys. Just give you a little bit, just a portion, just a taste. I'm just giving you the medicine of trigonometry a bit. Okay. So yeah, those who are actually professional doctors and all that who are working in like medicine and or Department of Health. They basically know that trigonometry is being used. Those who are building malls and stadiums, they know that they're also making use of trigonometry in a way, but it's fine. I want us to focus on what we call proving identities. So today I would like us to focus on how to prove the identities in under what trigonometry. Okay, so I'm just having only two questions today, which is I'm having tan theta plus 1 over tan theta equals to 1 over sine theta cos theta. The second one is going to be tan x equals to 1 over 1. Yeah, tan x equals to 1 minus cos 2x over sine 2x. Okay. So guys, yeah, this is basically what I'd like us to focus on. Okay. Guys, don't forget to follow me, Bafetsu. I'm there on TikTok as James the Decomposer and the Synthesizer. I'm there as well on YouTube, Bafetsu. You know where to find me, Bafetsu. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, Bafetsu. I love you all. Stay blessed. Alright. If you have anything, even though you matata, if you have any problems that are challenging you guys, don't be afraid to talk to me. Don't be afraid to comment there with me. You know what I mean? So okay, guys, stay blessed. Stay blessed. Alright. Let's see. So there we go. We are using this brand Buffet too. This is the brand we use as well. In order Buffet too. I'm actually recommending those who are actually lecturers and tutors and teachers, you know, that yeah, these are the markers that you can also use, you know, as well as the little ones, you know, when they're busy having the whiteboards at home, they can make use of this plus, you know, the different colors there, you know what I mean? Okay, good stuff. All right, so guys, let me start with the first one. Okay, let me start with the first one. Yeah. Okay. All right. Put it here. So guys, the first thing that we need to do basically here is to check the side that is more complicated. So when I'm looking at the right hand side and the left hand side, I can see that the left hand side is more complicated. So with proving identities, we focus on checking the side that is what difficult to can work on. All right, which one is that? Is this one. So let's focus on that one. Let's focus on that one. So I'm going to be like prove the left hand side, which equals to what? Tan theta plus 1 over tan theta. So we need to prove that this side on the left equals to this side. How are we going to do that? Don't worry. As long as you know the basics of trigonometry, you're good to go. I'm going to take you through as well. All right. So let's check them out. So the first thing that you need to do, we all know that sine theta over cos theta equals to what? Tan theta. 1 over tan theta equals to cos theta over sine theta, which equals to what we call cot theta. Those who didn't know about this, these are some of the basics that you guys must be familiar with. Okay, so the main goal that I want to show you guys is that you must be able to know the basics, because if you know the basics, you're gonna be able to what, to apply them on trig. The trig, one of the most important things about it is that if you don't know the basics and you don't know when and how to apply, game over. Game over. So you know the basics, you must know when and how to apply. Then you are fine with trig. Okay, come. Then now, allow me guys. Let me change this one and this one. And then we can see, maybe we can work out something, right? Okay, let's see. Then I'm gonna say sine theta over cos theta. So what I've done, basically, I've changed this one. So I'm gonna say plus 1 over what? Sine theta over cos theta. Okay, so what am I gonna do there? Oh, this is just all over. Okay, then this is the same as sine theta over cos theta plus. Then check guys what I'm gonna do here, basically just check. So this is the cross multiplication. It's like you're having 1 divided by sine theta over cos theta. This is the same as over 1. So you remember the reciprocal when you're dealing with simplifying of fractions, né? The division becomes the multiplication in a way. So what happens, I'm gonna have 1 times what? Cos theta over sine theta. So that's what I'm gonna have at the moment here. So I'm gonna have cos theta over sine theta. Okay, do you see what I've done there, guys? It was 1 divided by this whole fraction, which is the tan theta. So I had to change this because of it's 1 divided by this whole thing. When you're dealing with, like, you're having 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 2. No. Let's just say 5. This is the same as 2 over 3 times 5 over 4. From those lower basics, this is what I'm trying to apply to you guys so that you guys can be good. You know what I mean? You can get me, you can move with me on with the same pace, be with me on the same page. How, guys, I want us to be parallel. At least let's be on the same, let's have the same distance, let's have the same gradient. Feel me? Okay, so I hope you guys got it. So now I'm gonna show you something. All right, then what's gonna happen here, guys, is that our LCD is basically the what? Cos theta sine theta, the multiplication of these two, our denominators. So I'm gonna multiply everything by, so we need to, okay, the goal is to make these two fractions to have the same denominator. And how are we going to do that? We're going to multiply by this LCD on this, on this fraction, divide by the same LCD. Check. So it's gonna be it's gonna be sine theta cos theta all divided by. So now check, if you multiply cos theta sine theta here, what happens? Let me show you. Sine theta cos theta, I take this thing, I multiply it on this fraction. Check what's gonna happen. This one goes with this one. Then I'm gonna be left with sine theta times sine theta times sine theta. So I'm gonna have what? Sine squared theta. You're done. Then I'm gonna take the same LCD, I'm gonna multiply it here. Can I erase this part here so that you can see? Then I'm gonna say sine theta cos theta on this last fraction. Check. This goes with this. I'm left with what? Cos. I'm sorry, it happens sometimes, Let me just take it easy. Now, what we are going to do, I'm going to multiply cos theta times cos theta. And then I'm going to have what? Plus cos squared theta. Okay. Then now, let's come back. Remember, the goal is to prove that this side equals to this side, right? Can I simplify this further? Yes. Guys, do you still remember the basics of square identities? Remember, we have sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1. 1 minus sine squared theta equals to cos squared theta. Again, 1 minus cos squared theta equals to sine squared theta. This is a beautiful relationship. You know, trigonometry represents love, for those who didn't know. It's sine squared and cos squared. They make up one love, one heart, or one heart, one love. I'm just saying, guys. And then those two, they can make up a baby called the tan theta. Hence, we have sine theta over cos theta gives you the tan. I'm just saying. But that's fine. The goal is to show that sine squared plus cos squared give us 1. So meaning that I can apply this here. James, how did you get that? You must know the basics, eh? Then check. Then now I'm going to have 1 over sine theta cos theta. So the left-hand side equals to this, which equals to the right-hand side as well. So therefore, left-hand side equals to the right-hand side. We have proved, guys, that the left-hand side equals to the right-hand side. Let's give all the praise to the Most High God. He helped us how to decompose the trig because it was tricky for you. Now we can synthesize. You see? Lovely. Okay, guys, let's do that other problem. Okay. Okay, I hope I still recall that problem because I have a problem. Jesus, help me. Okay. It was tan x equals to 1 minus, relax, cos 2x over sine 2x. James? It is, right? Yeah, if ever you think that maybe there's something missing, you can just go back there, you know. Video no man. Was it this when the video started? I'm telling you it was. Okay, so guys, now we also need to prove that the left-hand side equals to the right-hand side. But what is the goal when you are proving identities in trigonometry? The goal is to check the side that is more complicated. So when you look at the left-hand side and the right-hand side, which side do you think is complicated? Just take a moment and think about the answer. Did you just say right? Yes, it's the most complicated one. Did you just say left? Oh no. I mean, nice try, but I feel like this one is more complicated. Don't you see? Yeah, I'm gonna show you though. Okay, but then you who said that it's the right hand side, definitely yes. But we need to show them how is it complicated. Okay, so guys, there is something called, if you see cos 2 something, sine 2 something, you must think of something called double angles. Double angle. So the double angle of sine 2 theta is the same as it's given in this way. 2 sine theta cos theta. If you see something like this, the double angle of sine is given by 2 sine theta cos theta. You must know. We learn it. Now, someone might be like, prove to me. How is it possible that it's going to be 2 sine theta cos theta? Hey, where is it coming from? Let me show you. I get we're here to decompose. Let's decompose. You have sine 2 theta. This is the same as sine of theta plus theta. I'm going to show you flames right now. Can I take it off? Let me relax. Okay. So now what happens is that we're going to use what you call compound angles. A compound angle. Do you know what is a compound angle? Okay, so if you're having cos of A plus B, this is the same as cos A cos B. If it's plus, it's minus sine A sine B. If you're having sine A plus B, this is the same as sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Now the goal is for you guys to focus on this one here at the bottom. It's A plus B, all right? It's the same as A plus B. Some people are not seeing this. A, B. So you start sine A cos B. Then now, after the plus sign, the cos and the angle are going to exchange the partners. The A goes to the cos, the B goes to the sine. That's what happened. That's what I'm going to do here. We're focusing on this one. It's a compound angle. I just want to prove, just to prove, because these are the type of questions that comes. Guys, I want to teach you something, that these things, it doesn't just come. I know that at some point at schools and stuff, we forget to give this type of information, you know. So this is the platform whereby you guys are going to know where these things are coming from. Check. So I'm going to say sine theta cos theta, then now plus cos theta sine theta. Remember, sine A cos B, cos A sine B. It's the same thing, because this is the same thing. Then from the look, it's the same as sine theta cos theta. So what is 1 plus 1? 2. Then it's going to be what? 2 sine theta cos theta. Proven. Then someone is smiling. She's smiling. Hello, thank you so much. Glory be to God. Hallelujah. Okay, then let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Now, you look at this one, is the double angle of cos. Cos 2 theta equals to cosec squared minus sine squared theta. Or this one, 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Or it can also be equal to 2 cos squared theta minus 1. So guys, if you see the double angle of cos 2 theta, just know that this thing is the same as this one. Or you can rewrite this one in the same as this one. Or you can write this thing as the same as this one. It's up to you. Now, the reason why it's different like this, it is because of sometimes you'll be coming sometimes you'll be coming across some certain questions that will require you to, like, you have to cancel out one word, what there. So one thing you must make sure is that you need to check which one can I use. If you're given this, you must check, if I use this, it will cancel with that other one. No, it won't. This one, yes, it will. This one, yes, it will. So that is the formula of double angle of cos. It has 3. Can I prove to you how these ones came about? Hello? Let me show you. I'm going to prove to you that cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Check. I agree you guys know the basics of trig. Check. This one is the same as cos squared theta minus. This is this thing. From the square identity, I'm going to say 1 minus sine. Oh, no. Sine squared theta is the same as 1 minus cos squared theta. Remember, from sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1. If I remove the sine to the other side, it's going to give me cos squared. Or if I remove the sine to the other side, it will give me, do you know the relationship, guys? So this is what I've done here. Check, guys. Check what I've done. I have changed sine squared theta into minus 1 cos squared theta. Is the identity here, coming from here all the way. So as I've said to you, these two people are in a relationship. If they don't want to be together anymore. They can give each other space. Check. Cos wants to be alone. Look. Sin wants to be alone. Look. Now let's come back here. Cos squared theta minus. Now check. Positive times negative is what? Negative 1. Negative times negative, positive. Cos squared theta. Then 1 plus 1, 2. Then I'm having 2 cos squared theta minus 1. As I've said. Glory be to who? God. Alright. Yeah, I've just proved you one. I believe one can prove this one. Can prove the other one of 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Yeah, I want you guys, I'm giving you guys a homework to prove this one. That it equals to this double angle. It means you need to change this one. That's it. Okay. Love you guys. Let's continue. My last problem. Okay. Then right hand side, which equals to, we need to prove that is left hand side, right hand side equals to that 1 minus cos 2x over sine 2x. Now check what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change this one. This one is gonna be 1 minus, don't rush. I know that 1 equals to sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, but don't rush, relax. That's the thing about trigonometry. You must know when and how to apply. Don't just rush. Don't, skip kills you here. Speed will kill you on trig. That's why it's gonna get trigger and trigger and trigger. You know what I mean? And trigonometry, one thing I like, it will trigger you. It will trigger you. It's gonna traumatize you and trigger you. I'm just saying. And then you go to geometry, traumatizes you. Maths. Okay, let's move on, guys. Now let's see. This one I'm gonna say is gonna be 1 minus 2 sine squared x all over. The reason why I changed this one is because of I knew that this one is a double angle of sine. So it's the same as what? 2 sine x cos x. Okay. Then from there, check. Positive times negative is going to be 1 minus 1. Negative, positive 2 sine squared x all over the same thing. 2 sine x cos x. So I need to have enough space. Ne? I'll just move it right here. And move. So check. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I'm going to be left with what? 2 sine squared over 2 sine x cos x. Then 2 goes with 2. I'm left with what? Sine squared over sine x cos x. Then check. Exponents of the same base. 2 minus 1 is what? It's 1. So meaning I'm going to be left with what? Sine x over cos x. Is there anyone who can tell me what is sine x over con x? Oh, wait. Is there anyone who can tell me what is sine x over cos x? Just raise up your hand. Comment there. I Lily na commentang. Iduletseng ba gesu. Commentang ba. You see, so sine x over cos x is going to give us tan x. So now, the right hand side equals to the what? Left hand side. Then, therefore, right hand side equals to the what? Left hand side, because they are both equal to tan x. And this one, even if I can simplify, it's going to give me sin x over cos x. Okay, so guys, this is how we prove the trigonometric identities. I hope this video was very productive, was very effective for some, you know. Yeah, guys, more videos are still going to come for other problems of trigonometry, general solutions, trig functions, reduction formulas, the 3D area rule, sine rule, cosine rule. They are still coming, guys. Okay, all I want you guys is to always wait for the decomposer. You know, the minute you see the notification of decomposer, don't even hesitate. Watch the video, like, comment, share the videos with others. Bafethu, the goal is to reach 500 Bafethu subscribers. Bafethu, that's the goal. Bafethu, let's help, let's grow. Bafethu, let's go Bafethu. Okay, level up, Bafethu, level up. By the grace of God, as long as we stay humble, God will integrate us. Glory be to God. Stay blessed.